If you're a man over 50 and you've been struggling with sensitivity issues, reduced firmness, or slower recovery, then what I'm about to share could completely change your experience. This isn't about quick fix enhancement pills or risky medications. It's about using specific natural oils in a way that protects your tissue, improves blood flow, and yes, helps you stay firm for longer stretches of time. I'm Dr. Masha, and after over a decade in urology, I've witnessed firsthand how the right lubrication routine can make the difference between tissue damage and tissue health, between fading sensitivity and renewed pleasure, and between losing firmness too soon and maintaining it confidently. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly which oils work best, why they're far superior to most commercial products, and how to use them correctly for maximum benefit and safety. But first, please like the video. The more people like it, the more YouTube will distribute it to people who don't have access to doctors or hospitals. Also, please share the video with your friends and family. Many lives can be saved with your help, so share it. Let's start with what's actually happening to your tissues after 50 that makes proper lubrication not just helpful, but essential. Your skin is no longer producing the same natural oils it once did. Back in your 20s and 30s, sebaceous glands kept everything comfortably moisturized. Now, you're likely only producing about 40% of that. That means delicate penile skin is more vulnerable, more prone to irritation, micro tears, and long-term damage. The elasticity of your tissue has also changed. Collagen production slows with age, making skin thinner and less resilient. What used to bounce back overnight now might take days or weeks to heal. Every session without proper lubrication adds up, causing cumulative wear that chips away at sensitivity over time. And then there's the issue of circulation. The blood vessels themselves change with age. The endothelial lining, which once helped those vessels open wide for strong blood flow, becomes less responsive. But here's the exciting part. Certain oils, when absorbed through the skin, can actually encourage local blood flow, helping you maintain firmness when it might otherwise fade. Nerve sensitivity is another big factor. Years of friction without enough lubrication slowly damage nerve endings, leaving many men believing their reduced pleasure is just old age. But in reality, much of it is accumulated damage that can be prevented and sometimes reversed with the right lubrication. So, why natural oils instead of commercial lubricants? Most commercial lubes are packed with glycerin, parabens, and harsh chemicals that might make things slippery for a short while, but they do nothing for tissue health. In fact, they can irritate delicate skin with regular use. Natural oils, on the other hand, are full of vitamins, fatty acids, and healing compounds that not only lubricate, but also nourish the skin. They get absorbed into the top layers of tissue, offering both immediate slickness and lasting health benefits. Many contain anti-inflammatory properties that reduce irritation and speed up healing. And while water-based lubes sit on the surface and dry out, oils penetrate just enough to provide sustained lubrication and keep you comfortable during longer sessions. Let's begin with coconut oil, which might just be the all-around champion for most men. Virgin, unrefined coconut oil is rich in lauric acid, caprylic acid, and vitamin E, all powerful allies for penile tissue health. Lauric acid acts as a natural antimicrobial, helping to prevent bacterial or fungal issues, which is especially important for uncircumcised men or those prone to irritation. It's like having a built-in shield against harmful microbes while protecting the good bacteria your body needs. Coconut oil also seems to boost local circulation. The medium-chain triglycerides get absorbed through the skin and may help keep blood flowing. Many men notice firmer, longer-lasting results when using it. The vitamin E helps repair damaged skin and maintain elasticity. With regular use, some men even report improved sensitivity as their tissue becomes healthier. To use it, simply warm a small amount in your hands first. Cold oil isn't pleasant, and start with about a teaspoon. It melts beautifully at body temperature, giving a slick but controlled glide. The only caveat is that coconut oil can clog pores. If you're prone to ingrown hairs or folliculitis, focus on applying it only to the shaft and glands, not the hair-bearing areas. Next, let's talk about sweet almond oil. This is my go-to recommendation for men whose main concern is sensitivity. Almond oil is lighter than coconut, absorbs quickly, and is packed with compounds that support nerve health. It's extra rich in vitamin E, plus B vitamins like riboflavin and niacin, which are crucial for nerve repair and function. Think of it as targeted nutrition for your nerve endings. On top of that, it contains omega-3 fatty acids that reduce cellular inflammation. This matters because even low-level chronic inflammation dulls sensitivity and weakens blood flow. By calming inflammation, Almond oil clears the path for better nerve response and stronger circulation. Its consistency is what I like to call just right. Not too thick, not too thin, with enough glide for long sessions without feeling greasy. If you have sensitive skin, almond oil is usually well tolerated. But if you have a nut allergy, avoid it. Always do a patch test on your arm first if you're unsure. Use it the same way as coconut oil, a teaspoon warmed in your hands. But you may find you need less because it spreads easily and stays liquid at room temperature, making it super convenient. Now let's move on to grapeseed oil. This one is lighter than both coconut and almond. Perfect if you find those too heavy or greasy. Don't underestimate it. Grapeseed oil is loaded with compounds that specifically benefit vascular health. It's rich in proanthocyanidins, potent antioxidants that strengthen blood vessel walls and improve circulation. When applied directly, these nutrients can enhance local blood flow. Better circulation means firmer, longer-lasting erections and sharper sensitivity. Grapeseed oil also delivers vitamin E and linoleic acid, which keep the skin barrier strong. A healthy barrier locks in moisture and shields against irritation. Many men who use it regularly report their skin feels tougher, less fragile, and less prone to irritation. Another unique feature? Grapeseed oil helps balance sebum production. If your skin tends to swing between too oily and too dry, this oil evens things out. Its texture is silky and smooth, never sticky, but it does absorb quickly. For longer sessions, keep a small bottle nearby and reapply as needed. Next is jojoba oil, though technically it's a wax ester, not an oil, and that difference is powerful. Jojoba's structure is nearly identical to your skin's own natural sebum, which means your body recognizes and absorbs it almost instantly. For men over 50 whose natural oil production has declined, jojoba fills that gap perfectly. If you're producing too much oil in certain areas, it even helps regulate and balance that. Beyond vitamin E and B complex vitamins, jojoba brings minerals like zinc and copper, critical for tissue repair and sensitivity. Regular use strengthens and restores penile tissue responsiveness. The consistency is perfect for longer use. It doesn't get sticky, and a little goes a long way. For men with sensitive skin or prone to allergies, jojoba is one of the safest choices out there. Another plus, it's incredibly stable, with a long shelf life. You can keep a bottle by your bedside for months without worrying it'll go rancid. And then there's argan oil, the luxury option. It's more expensive, yes, but many men find it worth every penny. Argan oil boasts exceptionally high vitamin E levels and squalene, which improves elasticity and helps skin retain moisture. For aging penile skin that's thinner and less elastic, argan oil can actually restore some youthful qualities. It also contains ferulic acid, an antioxidant that supports blood vessel function, contributing to stronger firmness and better duration. Add in its anti-inflammatory and healing compounds, and argan oil is a powerhouse for men who struggle with irritation. Its texture is rich and smooth without feeling greasy, and it absorbs while still leaving a protective layer. Many men describe it as the perfect balance of comfort and long-lasting lubrication. Just make sure you're getting pure, organic argan oil, not a diluted blend. Now, you don't need all 5 oils. In fact, too many products at once can be counterproductive. Choose one based on your main need. Coconut for general protection, almond for sensitivity, grapeseed for circulation, jojoba for all-around skin health, and argan if you want premium care. Apply at least 5 to 10 minutes before activity to allow absorption. Warm the oil in your hands first, then start with about half to 1 teaspoon. Use enough for comfortable glide, but not so much that sensation is dulled. For long sessions, keep it close by to reapply every 20 to 30 minutes. For restoring sensitivity, combine sweet almond oil with vitamin E by piercing a capsule and mixing a drop. For premium care, blend jojoba with argan for comfort and long-term support. Some men experiment with essential oils like peppermint for a tingling boost or lavender for relaxation, but be cautious. Always dilute them properly. Never more than 1 drop per tablespoon of carrier oil. A few important reminders. Oils and latex condoms don't mix. Oils break them down. If you need protection, choose polyurethane or polyisoprene condoms, or stick to water-based lubes with partners. Always test for allergies before using, and keep hygiene in mind. Wash before and after use. Store oils in cool, dark places, and if they smell off or change texture, don't use them. The health benefits build over time. With consistent use, tissue health improves. Skin repairs, circulation enhances, and sensitivity often returns. Many men notice results within 2 weeks, with deeper changes after a full month. Every properly lubricated session is one that protects your tissue from micro-trauma, preserving function and comfort as you age. Some even notice improvements in dryness, clothing irritation, or mild Peyronie's symptoms. My recommendation is simple. Pick one oil, commit to 30 days, and track your results. Most men discover not just more comfort, but renewed sensitivity and confidence. Remember, this is not just about pleasure. It's about health and quality of life. Taking care of intimate tissue is as important as taking care of your heart or joints. With the right oil protocol, you can preserve and even improve your function well into later years. A small daily investment in natural oils could save you from damage, sensitivity loss, or costly interventions down the road. And that's not just self-care. It's one of the best investments in your future wellness.